Hi everyone, this is Brad. In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can create a contact group in Gmail. So we're going to select the Google Apps, and then we're going to go ahead and go into Contacts. Of course, you can access this by going into contacts.google.com as well. Here you can see my two contacts. I'm going to come over here though first and create a label. We'll just call this Sample and select Save. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to select the two contacts that I would like to add to that contact group. And now we're going to select Manage Labels. We're going to select the sample and then apply. At the bottom you'll see where it says working and then two contacts labeled sample. Now let's go into Gmail. I'm going to compose a new email. And here we have with sample right here the two names. And then we can go ahead and we can send them out as we need to. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.